What's the meaning of cladding? Cladding. Cladding.
Cladding. Cladding. Cladding refers to the process of covering one material with another. The result is that the original material is given a new layer or coating that enhances its appearance, durability, or functionality. Common cladding materials include metal, wood, stone, and composite materials. Cladding can be used on both interior and exterior surfaces of buildings, as well as on furniture and other objects. The benefits of cladding include improved insulation, enhanced aesthetics, and increased protection against weathering and wear. Overall, cladding serves as a useful and versatile technique for improving the characteristics and appearance of different materials.